this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily factory reset your PlayStation 4. So if you cannot log in and you cannot find the password or anything like that, just simply hold down the power button, go to turn off right here. And we can reset this without the password. Maybe we got this from a friend in the safe mode menu. So we can go on down now to my PlayStation, and we're going to wait for this to turn off. So this light is going to blink. Just wait for that to turn off. Now you'll need a controller that's connected with a USB cable to operate the safe mode menu. So go ahead and just grab that USB cable. And then when this light turns off, hold down the power button. And you're going to hear one beep, and then you're going to hear another beep like 10 seconds later. And then let go, and our controller's connected now. We can go up to the top. Now it says press the PlayStation button on the controller. Okay. And then go on down to option number 6, initialize PS4. If you initialize this PS4, all the user data will be deleted. So if you go to yes right here, everything's going to be deleted. And then you'll be good to go to resell it or start using it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.